You nervous all the sanding?
There was all the sanding. I'm about to go and inspect it in a minute.
Well, it's coming out pretty good this side. Just a bit of rag. Look at the metallic in that. Slave labour here.
Playing the buffer!
We must be the only people trying to detail a car in the dark. Looks good. We're seeing how it's going to look with snow on it. Need my umbrella out here.
Taking the piss?
Yeah. Stickers.
What,
I don't like stickers. I mean, that's just a few there.
So you've not even picked your car up yet, you already plan to stick a bomb on your wing? That's the...
No, I suggested putting bog in it. You're the one that suggested sticker bog.
Well, it is true though. You're thinking it, you just want someone else to suggest it, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. But I quite like that look. I think that's cool.
Who in the right mind buys stickers before buying a car? I mean,
I bought oil first.
it's like you're planning on buying a shitbox.
Yeah. I don't know what to do.
These YouTubers, Tony, it's just
Too good for us.
too good. We've always about the Liberal Democrats next.
Yeah, we found that when we were green laning. Don't really know why I have it, to be honest. I just took a souvenir. Yeah, okay.
So you got me in the crouch position right now. I don't know why I've not moved it to a table.
I don't know why you haven't either. You sat there with your Hoover, my Yokies. Can you refurb them while you're there?
Hey, what?
Having a word with yourself.
Yeah.
You're just rubbing something down with some lube.
Yeah, basically, the reason why I'm over here is because I'm scared shitless of seeing Tony with the sandpaper.
Have you seen this? It's like flat. There's only like a few burnt through marks.
Speckles of red.
Yeah, it's like a red metal flake we're going to go with, really, isn't it? So, yeah, you enjoy that, Tom.
Black and red zebra stripe.
Zebra. Yeah, well, it's not my fault. I've got all Maguire stuff, is it? Like,
Well, it is.
I did look for G3, and the only thing I could find next day was Maguire's.
I've offered you Autoglym wash and wax, though, and you're like,
Yeah, but the gold stuff's decent, though, isn't it?
You're just a posh snob. You like the total car reviews of Maguire's.
shush, lad.
No, no, film here something about Mary. Oh, you got something on your ear. There you go. Lad.
I'm doing this and
That looks so long, man.
So we're part way through all the buffing and polishing now. You can see the sort of finish. There's a few bits in it, but considering it was all done on the driveway, you can't mock that. So you can sort of really see the colour coming out. The camera really doesn't do this justice at all. Sam's in the back shaking a can, pacing because we've lost the mirror. And obviously we're flattening it, all the paint, there's a slight orange peel in it, but I mean, it really doesn't do the car justice to what, because you guys couldn't see it in the flesh, but the car was speckled, almost like a goose pimples. So the finish we are getting now is polished all over the sprayed over there, but you can see the shine the car's got now. It never had this. So onwards and upwards, got the rear quarter and back panels through, then it's a proper wash, and then a detail, and then we're getting there. Sam's loving it.
Apart from we've lost the mirror.
Yeah, we'll have to find the mirror. It looks like that. Has anyone seen it? It's Mr. Downton.
What, Downton Abbey?
It's D-Day, Sam. Last day.
What time is it?
Before 9 on a Sunday.
Sunday. I'm not the line now till after the wedding.
No.
No.
Look how good the car's looking. I mean, it's beaded up a little bit under here with the wax. Wow. So all we got left to do, we've got headlight covers put on, a few bits on the engine bay, engine steady,
plugs, leads,
tidy interior,
hoover it,
and
clean interior, wait for next.
yeah, Rain-X.
Because it could possibly not get any better.
No.
And yeah, you know, someone's Mini's been in the wet, so today.
Aww.
So you know, I do drive it.
Mine are about to go in the wet because of Sam. No, you've got to use your cars in the rain. What's the bloody point in having them? But look at that. Remade Midas badges for it. I mean, it's hazed up a little bit because it's a bit cold. But look how cool that looks. Got a remade tax disc. It's even got corresponding orange or bronze valve caps to go with the brakes and to flash off with the colour as well. I can't believe how straight that door's come out, Sam.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
It's really good.
See, I told you all that fella put on. You know, came in handy.
Yeah, that cake looks delicious.
Yeah. It's not just any old cake that, you know, it's a vegan cake.
Is it a vegan cake?
Yeah. Vegan friendly colours. I'm trying to get my spanner in this hole.
Can't get any old. Look at this Downton approved mechanic laying in a puddle on a Sunday.
What more do you want on a Sunday? And you guess what?
What?
The hole's too small for the bolt.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's make it bigger.
Yeah, drill it out.
Yeah.
I'd say. Yeah.
It's a bit too early for a drill right now.
Yeah. Just to wait a moment.
You sure it won't just go in?
No.
I've got a file. Do you want to file it out a little bit?
No, it needs to join out that. It's good. 2 mil, too small. Well, I'll get on with something else. Oh.
You wet?
I'm not impressed.
It's got a wet beanie. Sam's even giving it a service.
Something Mark's not accustomed to.
If it works, it works. You don't need to touch it.
Everything needs touching in life.
Yeah, but when they run, they run.
Looking after it, innit?
Yeah, healthy spark every now and then.
Spark plugs are what?
I do service cars. We've got service kits for the Passat.
Buying a kit doesn't make. Well, I suppose you have put that YouTube badge on your jacket, haven't you?
No, not yet. No one's bought me one.
Yeah. So it is a temporary engine this as well, so before people start moaning.
We're going to moan. It goes well. Flew when we took it here.
What time did we?
VTEC it, mate.
VTEC. No, it's not original, is it?
No.
It's like painting your car red, it's not original.
Well, it was red before, wasn't it? Look at that. Fresh plug.
Fresh leads in a minute.
Fucking hell, getting everything. Spoiling this car, aren't you? It's Downton approved mechanic again. With his wet beanie.
With a hole in the shoe and a puddle.
Crocking it out.
Oh,
Wonder where Uncle Tony is. Wonder if he's having a full English.
Full English.
Full English after his roast dinner last
Is that a
night.
euphemism?
I don't know what he's up to over there.
No, I've been back house wanted.
Yeah, maybe. But look at that, look at that. Now the sun's coming out, Sam. The colour's mad. So the interior is back together now. It's all clean. Now you can really see what we mean by how 80s it is inside. It's come out really nice. And there's the bronzy style colour you can see. That's why. That's where the influence came from for the colour. Yeah, the GT gauge is there. New mats Sam picked up for it. Door bars all back together. All the backs all built back up. It's actually got 2 rear seats. I don't know if you knew that. You can see the colour there, look at that. This looks really nice, it's come up so good. So yeah, final stretch now.
Yeah, only that new battery and stuff.
Yeah.
That's finished, that's solenoid as well. We've got that big earth, haven't we?
Yeah. So it's a miserable day. So there she is. All done. Just took her out for a quick drive. While taking her back to Sam's. Post in the comments what you think. Sounding sweet as enough. It wouldn't be a build if you didn't have some pictures. Well, Sam, you achieved it, or we achieved it.
Finally, 1 day to go.
1 day to go. It's horrible weather.
Couldn't get worse rain, could it? But
No, fully waxed,
it's all sorted.
and she's looking beautiful. I really hope your dad likes it.
Yeah. I just drove through some big puddles on the way.
Yeah.
I'm watching Mark drive my car through big puddles. So.
I was trying to avoid some, but yeah. What do you guys think? You're going to see, obviously, his impression of it when he sees it. What is it? Monday, tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yeah,
tomorrow,
see it.
yeah.
So, yeah,
24 hours pretty much, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, like 26 hours.
down to the wire. Literally the day before, but we've done it. So
I drive it home now.
yeah, it's got a big, 30-odd mile drive now. So
Yeah.
yeah, post in the comments what you think of it. But we're there.
Both
so
tired though, aren't we?
we're,
Both
absolutely,
knackered.
we're absolutely shattered. There's a lot of cider to drink now.
Yeah.
So, and I got my garage back. So I'll spin you round. We'll get some proper shots of it, and we'll leave you with that for now.
And yeah, just want to say thank you to Tony and Mark for doing it all with me. Because,
No worries. It's what we do. It's what
It
mates
means
do.
a lot,
It's
yeah.
another car on the road, and it meant so much to you. So
yeah, it means a lot. I can't wait until he sees it.
it looks amazing.
It looks black until
Yeah.
the sun hits it, or like you up close.
Yeah, it literally looks so different in this light.
It looks how it looks, like in 1981.
So
Yeah.
we'll just walk around it now. We'll show you. There she is. Like Sam just said, the colour is literally black now. When the light hits it, it's bronze. So really chuffed with what we've managed to achieve on a driveway. To be honest, it's, you know, not perfect, but it's up there. I'm really chuffed what 3 guys in our spare time have managed to achieve over a space of best part of a month, really, isn't it?
Yeah. Quite
So-
different things. Well, did all the MOT work and stuff, and all the mechanical before.
Yeah,
That started in what, May?
basically, yeah.
Yeah. So did all the everything underneath. And then obviously August MOT'd it, like the second week. Oh, it was a weekend after IMM.
Yep.
And then just go, wasn't it?
Basically. But we're there. Look at the little beast. So I don't think we mentioned much in the build, but you see these ducts at the bottom there. Sam's neighbour remade those for us, nicely TIG welded stainless steel. All the headlight bulbs, all the indicator bulbs, everything's been upgraded, so they're a lot brighter and better for driving.
Same grill surround, but different mesh.
Yeah, so Sam's redone the mesh in that grill there. His dad's pretty much made that grill back in the day. We've had Midas badges remade for it. Can't really see very well in this weather, but I have got a picture of them I'll drop in. I'm just really proud of it. I think what we've achieved is awesome. And obviously, it's been branded.